Morning everyone. I just woke up and I am planning to take bath. My timings are a little chill in the morning, so I'll take my own time, sweet time, and get to office. And my nanny called me to wake me up. I tell her every morning call me at 7:30. Good morning guys. So I'm ready. Those are my socks hanging. Okay, forget it. I'll just clean this. I need to before I go. And I just got a news. The CEO of the company where I work accepted my request on LinkedIn, and I'm all, but it's a good news, isn't it? You tell me. Let's try to clean up all the mess which is here. I don't know. Living away from your parents improves you, right? Because they are so good with you, you don't feel all the heat of the world, all the hardships. But when you're alone, you learn about it. You're like, oh, this also happens, that also happens. You need to be more alert. Everything comes all together. Yeah, so Mommy Baba, I'm grateful for you. And thank you for sending me here to learn about the real world because it gets tough at times. And you need to keep just going because it's not only the bad people you'll meet good ones as well. I'm learning how to do ghadi. Haha. That's a Hindi word which means folding. And yes, it's clean now. I'll eat the banana. My roommate gave it to me. Thank you, bro. Bye. I believe I'll meet you directly in the office now. Going now. See ya. Hi, office. We are done now. I'm taking stairs. It's easier for me. I can't wait for lifts. It's too long. In the background, you can't see anything. There are nice places. I'm going out now. I'll come back and eat. No, I'm going out for lunch. Yes. I'll come back and speak. I have to speak a lot, yeah. There's so many things I need to share with you all. Get back to the PG. Here also we have lift, but I don't like to use it here. You know, I rarely get time to exercise. It shouldn't be rarely. I can make time. I don't make it. That's my fault. But however, minimum time I can squeeze into this. It's good. Why do you use elevator when you have stairs? I'll eat something fast. Let's go down. Why do I choose to walk so much? I don't know. It just happens. So far it was good. It was really nice, to be honest. I really liked it. Coordinators and managers, everyone is sweet, nice so far. It's going to be well. Humans, I finally got some time to myself. I came on the ground floor. This is the first floor, not the ground floor. And today, what did I want to talk about more was the movie which I saw yesterday, which is Border 2. So Border 2 had such an incredible storyline. Like, I won't only speak about the specific main cast. Every little role was beautifully played by everyone. There was this one incident which truly struck with me. There were two friends from the Indian Army, and you get letters from your family occasionally. So they were depicting 1971. I don't want to break the whole spoiler for you, but these two friends, they received their letters from their home. So the sad news was that the one friend had his mother's funeral news in the letter, and the other guy got to know that he had a daughter, so that was a good news. So he came to his friend excitedly to inform him about it, but he was sad, and that was really the breaking point. Like, all the people in the theater were crying or so. And when that happened, the mother's name was Parvati Devi. So the second guy who just had a daughter, promised the first guy that, I'll name my daughter as your mother's by your mother's name. So Parvati. It was a very touching moment, very beautifully written. Like, go watch Border 2 if you're watching this. Everyone at the office comes down to chill a little and then go back to their locations. Adulting feels different But it doesn't feel difficult. It feels like growing into a different person you were not. And I'm sitting at this corner. This is the view. It's a long way to go. There outside I can walk. Oh right. I can show you. I have like around 13-15 minutes. So we can. This side. People are sitting, relaxing as usual and watching me. This is the ground area. I decide to stay up. This is the outside area. I'll take you some other day. Right now I want to sit down, bro. I walk too much. So I'll say this is the end of the day. Bye bye, guys.